So hello and welcome to SBC Cinema. Today it's hammer time. No, thrift store tool haul number 1. Yeah, this one is not from the thrift store. It's just with those tools. So let's just start here, and here we got a screwdriver, classic, large. 5.5 flathead, and as you can see, this is quite a quality tool. It even got the wrench part here where you can use more force, a wood handle, chrome, steel, whatever tip. Very nice, and I've only paid $1 for it. Next tool, good old pair of pliers, a grippy part, a pinchy part, and a cutting part. Just your standard pliers. They are very old, pre-World War II, I guess, or at best 1960s. Really classic. And I've also only paid $1 for it. There is a marking on it. Something cobalt. And here stands something with extra at the end. I can't read it. Another very old pliers. Those are the ones that you use to pull nails out, but you can use them to cut wire or anything else. And I also have only paid $1 for it. This is even older as the other one. And last but not least, this little baby here. It's a screw me shut thing here in front, and you can unscrew the cap. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. So, and he screws it back on again. Yeah. And there are the other tools in here. And the way this works is, you just take the attachment, put it in here, and then you screw this part here down and you have your screwdriver. So this is practically a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in one. And we get a small flathead, larger flathead, large flathead, 2 hole punches, and a screw drill attachment. Yeah, no cross hatch. Why? I don't know, but you can use a flathead for a cross hatch anyhow. So yeah, for the real hard labor, this one here. For the more screwy parts, those ones here. And yeah, we could see if there is a name and manufacturer on it. I don't see one. This was $2.50. It was the most expensive one. And yeah, this is my yesterday's thrift store tool haul with classic last forever tools.